What's up, folks? We're on our way to pick up my latest purchase, my latest ride. Here with the family. You may be able to hear them, maybe even see one of them right back there. Don't worry about the bumps in the road. They're just small animals and a deer. So we're headed. I'll get you updated as soon as we get there. We got about a 20-minute drive before we get there. See you in a minute. There she is, folks. The green bean. 1996 F250. Not sure why that's up there. We'll just put that in the back where it belongs. Service body. Got a tag in there. Can't open that. That one opens. Oh, we got some white. May have to fix that. Plenty of grease in the bed. Whoop, got that open. That's good. That opens as well. Doesn't seem to close. Now it's closed. And that one doesn't open. Good to go. Ventilation. Shaded headlights. Let's get in and see if she cranks up. Oh, seat's in good shape. There's your hood latch. Check the fuses, those look good. And we'll pile up in on the old greasy, gross seat. So a trick to this one is you have to leave it in neutral and crank it from there. Oh yeah. There we go, and she breathes to life. Only 377,000 miles on this one. And we'll check the pedal to verify. Yep. Sounds pretty good. Sounds like we got like a massive vacuum leak on the brake booster. And it runs really rich. I can smell it already. So this is a high quality item. Looks like no seat belts today because they're kind of hidden down in here. It's totally nasty. So let's release the brake. So let's release the brake. There we go. We'll try to get going here. Oh yeah. That's good. Oh, easy. 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 There we go. I want to say there's some major issues with this truck. So here we go, first drive. Seems to run okay, but I can hear the air or the vacuum pulling through the brake booster out there. So that can't be good. So here we go. See if I can get the heat prepped. Hey, the blower blows. mean, the ride is top notch. It's quite a bit chilly in here too. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Oh, she stops on a dime. Oh, you shouldn't do that. Well, I'll tell you, the piece of metal and the pillow is pretty comfortable. Could be a lot worse. Dude, I really wish you'd get on your side of the road. Thank you. Sounds like maybe only one exhaust leak. I don't know what that is. I mean, I'm going to say that 40 to 45 is probably going to be a good comfortable speed for me with this thing, since it doesn't stop and it doesn't steer. Seems fine. Got my headlights on, but I don't know if they're actually on or not. We've got about 30 minutes before it gets dark, so better not delay too much. It's probably not the worst vehicle I've ever owned, but it's pretty bad. Really could go for a pair of gloves too. So, whew. Exhaust leak is pretty good. Seems to have a blinker. I don't know if you can hear that hissing or not. Stop. Turn the blinker off. There's a crack in the windshield just right in my view. It's a nice truck. Just cruising through the neighborhood, gonna ease by the VFW. Well, VFW's off down in the woods, so we'll see how it goes. Actually, we won't cruise by the VFW at all. We gotta get home. The sun is over there behind the trees, and I'm not sure that I have lights on. Oh, there's a tree in the road. See if I can get that run over. Got it. So the vacuum leak through the brake booster sounds kind of a lot like a propane heater. So you put your foot on the brake and nothing happens. And if it were warm in here, it'd be kind of a nice feeling, but ABS lights on, I can't imagine why. Half a tank of gas though, appears to be 219. I think it's been 219 since I've got in the truck, according to the clock. We'll check again and see. But who knows? Oh, this is not good. So the price I paid for this truck was well worth all of these ailments. Oh, it's 220. Good. Lock works. Oh, the steering is atrocious. It doesn't even like turn. Whoop. 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 Here we go. Easy with the vacuum there, buddy. We don't have an endless supply. So I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna focus on not dying, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Okay, so quick update. It actually steers really bad. It pulls to the left and to the right all at the same time. I mean, it was cheap. What can you say? Pretty sketchy. Still meeting the daylight, so that's good. About halfway there. Vehicle. Oh, no, it doesn't like that. Go. All right. I'll update you in a minute. So I got a new quirk that I figured out. So I'll show you. That's the fuel tank. So we'll switch to the rear tank. Uh-oh. Wait. No. Yep. Not real sure what to say about that. Not slowing down. Alright, now slowing down. Massive vacuum leak. This is really bad. Let's see if we can get turned in here. Go. I don't know. Can't tell which one of those is the oil and which one's the... So I'm in the okay range on both the oil and the temp, but I can't tell which one's which. Some deer up here. So, it is what I have no idea if I have headlights or not. So anyways, this part of the road's real curvy, so it's really good. Handles like a dream. Really bad. So I wanted to give you a quick recap of the truck. It's actually the Monday following the Friday afternoon that I picked it up. May have forgotten to do this recap until just now, but either way, I'm getting it done. So the truck's really bad. The steering's horrible. The brakes are bad. You know, you can put a new brake booster on it. That'll solve the vacuum leak, and that'll make it actually run a little bit better. But when it comes down to it, you know, that's probably going to identify other brake issues in the truck. And, you know, I just don't know really if it's going to be worth fixing up and trying to put back on the road or what the deal is going to be. But I'll look into it and try to figure out what I want to do. And really, I bought the truck for a couple different reasons. One was, you know, potentially to fix it up and either flip it or put it back on the road and me drive it, or to steal the drivetrain out of it for another truck that I've got. So not real sure what I'm doing with it at this point. So leave me a comment down in the comment section. Where else would you leave a comment? And let me know what you think about it. You know, tell me what you think, whether you would steal the drivetrain and put it in another older truck, or if you do like a cab swap on it with an older, better cab, or just fix it up and get it going again and flip it, do whatever. So like and subscribe if you like mediocre content. If you don't like mediocre content, do it anyways. But it'd really help me out if you did. You know, I'm a 39 subscribers as of the posting of this video, or at least the filming of this video. And I'd like to see that number get up to 50. So I'm sure there's 11 of you, maybe. There's probably 11 people that you could talk to get them to subscribe to my channel and watch a video or two and get me up to that 50 mark. So just go ahead and do it. Make it happen. Talking to you. Do it. Appreciate you watching. Take it easy.